Yeah, I just want to give you a brief explanation on this machine. It is called a deep soldering machine. The purpose of it is to solder a PCB board. So this section is where you put the board, and you adjust this. You adjust all these screws. You loose them. So when they are loose, you lose one end and you lose the other end too. So it's easy to move around back and forth. And move it back and forth. So to place your board, there's a groove that is here. So that the groove, the purpose of it is to help you hold the board. That's the purpose of the groove. An example of it is this. See, there's a groove here that holds the board. So when you move the groove, you move it closer to the other end. There's another groove in that end too. So we are aligned there. So we are aligned there. So you see, it's already aligned. It's already inside now. So when you have attained that, next thing you do is to tighten the screw. Tighten the screw on both ends. So that will make the board to stay. That will hold the board. So you can see the board it can only move up and down, but it cannot move away. So it's like a clip that holds the board down. So it's a simple machine. So this is the port. The bottom side here is the port. Where you have the molten lead, but as it is now, I know there's no lead inside, but there's no solder lead inside. So, but when we put solder lead, you'll be able to see how it functions. But it's just like something to see. So, as you can see, that I only have like have it in a skeleton. So, but by the time we cover the whole body, you have it in a full beautiful looking machine. So, and I have the control here. Just I have 3 LEDs here. This first LED that is on now is to say that I say power. It's already power. And this second LED, whenever a start switch is pressed, it comes on. And when the work is done, that is after the machine has finished soldering the board, this LED go off. And when you press switch to terminate the operation, which is this is stop switch and this is start switch. When you press the stop switch to terminate the operation, the ongoing operation, this LED come on. So I will give you just brief demonstration of it. So I will press the start switch. So I will press it now. See, it's on now. So you can see the machine now. This carriage is being lowered down. So the carriage is lowered down. The carriage is lower down now. So now what you're saying now that's going on now is the cleaner. This is the cleaner. The purpose of it is to clean the surface of the molten lead. So you can see the wiper goes into the lead and it continue to wipe like that. It will wipe like that. So it's going to wipe, and when it gets to the end, it will return by itself. All these operations are automatic. So it's returning back now. So when it gets to this end, it's going to stop. by itself automatically. So now it's just three processes. The first process is to lower the carriage down. So as the board is lower down now, so what happened is the board is preheated because the board is so close to the molten lead, so it's the heat from the lead is heating underneath of the board, so it's like preheating the board at this stage. So after that has reached the end, you see the machine will want to lower down the board. You want to lower down the board. See, the board is being lowered down now. So then after a brief lowering, you will now gently lower the board into the molten lead. See, gently lowering it now into the molten lead. We are assuming there's a molten lead, the board is lowering now into the pot. So you completely lower it, and after it finished lowering it, then we have the soldering time. It's already preset. All these operations are preset. You can it's possible to adjust the soldering time, but for now it's automatic. So they are all preset. So it's been lowered down. So now you can see it's completely almost lowered down now. It's lowered down completely now. So it's returning the board. It's a brief soldering, so because if the temperature is too much for those parts, they get burnt. So now it's racing it back. I know it looks like not racing it, but it's racing it. So it's now returning the carriage now back to the initial position. You can see the carriage is being returned back now. It's going back. So when the carriage is fully returned, you will see this the start switch will go off. It will go off. Everything will go off. In fact, everything will go off. The start switch, which is the operational switch, will go off. The power tool will go off, and the power will come back to indicate that the whole soldering work is done. You see? So at this stage now, the soldering is done. So it's a simple operation, but can just take patience to be able to fully understand it. But as it is configured, it's very simple. Thank you for enjoying the video. Yeah, bye-bye.